Alright folks, what you're looking at here is a Aztec 7 by Fiberfab. It was made back in the 70s. This kit was purchased back in 1977. It was mostly put together. It is a Volkswagen Beetle platform. The back end flips up to reveal the motor, and as you saw, it's a gull wing car. It has a Lamborghini Miura windshield. It's a good classic piece of kit car history. Runs and drives great. It's actually a comfortable car to drive, and it is definitely a beautiful piece of the 70s. Hope you enjoy. Like or subscribe if you want to see some of the other odd vehicles that I come across. Goodbye for now.